have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Lou.
Do you want to play?
Maybe later.
What? Are you okay? You always wants to play.
I just don't feel like it today.
Oh. Well, byes for now.
Bye.
Oh, kia ora, Lou.
Hi, Panya.
Excuse me.
Have you been eating those leaves again? The ones that make you gassy?
I'm afraid so. I just can't resist them. They're so tender and crunchy. Ooh, excuse me.
It's okay. Panya, I'm worried about Kitty. I think she may be sick.
Why do you say that?
She doesn't want to play.
Maybe she's just not in the mood.
She's always in the mood to play.
I wouldn't worry, dear.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose so.
Hi, Delvanius.
Hi, Kitty.
Are you spying on me?
I was more like checking on you because Lou's worried. Are you sick?
No. Please don't worry about me.
Okay, well, right, bye.
Ah, kia ora, Kitty.
Oh, hi, Panya. Hey, everyone thinks I'm sick. But I don't think I'm sick. I just feel like lying around and not doing much. That's okay, right?
Yeah, of course it's okay. You're just having a humdrum, ordinary kind of day.
So nothing's wrong with me?
No, you're fine. Everyone has days like that.
Maybe Panya can cheer her up.
Hope so.
Do you have ordinary days?
Oh, most of my days are quite ordinary, yeah. I have to eat so many leaves, you see, there's hardly time for anything else. Oh, excuse me. Life just can't be fun all the time. You know, sometimes you just need to be peaceful and calm.
Look, Gary's laughing.
Kitty,
Yes, Panya.
are you amused by certain loud noises?
What loud noises?
I think you know what I mean. It's no joke, gas. It's a very serious matter.
Very serious.
Would you like to hear an educational song about gas and the whole digestive process?
Oh, yes, please. Can't wait.
My name is Farty the dinosaur. Say, have you heard my farts before? They're very, very loud. I'm very, very proud. They call me Farty the dinosaur.
Her name is Farty the dinosaur. She does those farts that we adore. They really make your day. They're heard from miles away. We all love Farty the dinosaur. Her name is Farty the dinosaur.
That's me.
She does those farts that we adore. When it's a humdrum day, you'll surely shout hooray.
Hooray for Farty